Hi guys! Welcome back dito sa Modern Nanay at para sa episode na ito, mag-bake naman tayo ng plain banana bread. So tara, umpisa na natin! Para sa main ingredient, gagamit tayo ng 4 hanggang 5 piraso ng banana. The more black ito, the more na mas matamis yung banana. Here, peeled and sliced na yung ating banana and then mash lang natin ito using a masher. Pero kung wala ka namang masher, you could also use yung fork or tinidor. Then, set aside lang natin ito. And then, in a separate bowl, paghaluin lang natin yung ating all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and yung cinnamon. Mix lang natin itong lahat and then set aside din natin. In a bigger bowl, paghaluin lang natin yung melted butter and yung ating sugar. Stir lang natin ito until slightly dissolve yung ating sugar. Then add 2 pieces of eggs and then evaporated milk, vanilla, and stir lang natin ito hanggang well combined. Then this time, i-add na natin yung ating mashed bananas. Then, combine na natin yung ating dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. By using a sift, may iwasan natin yung buo-buo. Remember not to overmix your butter. As long as wala ka nang nakikitang buo-buong arena, pwede mo na itong i-transfer doon sa iyong prepared pan. On this recipe, I'm using Massflex Loaf pan which is 8 by 4 inches. Pero you can also use other pans na available. Then, bake lang natin ito into our preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes in 170 degrees Celsius. Then, after natin itong i-bake, transfer lang natin ito sa cooling rack. At luto na ang ating banana loaf bread. So, slice lang natin ito to check kung hanggang loob luto yung ating bread. Ayan, perfect! Kahit makapal yung ating loaf bread, since this is a 2-inch loaf bread, luto siya hanggang sa loob. And that's it for our banana loaf bread recipe. I hope nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching. See you again sa aking next video. Bye!